Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts January 2024 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Express your love, friendship, and joy to your loved ones with the January 2024 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. Included in the Classic Kit is a 5-piece color layering stencil, coordinating window heart frame cut, Love You Fancy Dies, Love Messages clear stamp set, camel watercolor paper, and 3 core ink cubes. The Premium Kit includes everything from the Classic plus floral fancy dies, gold leaf flakes, sparkle clear lacquer pen, and pink gold metallic spray. These additional products in the Premium Kit are a really great way to add shine and shimmer to your projects. Included in each of our kits is an informational sheet that explains the contents of each kit and card examples to get you started. So here is a quick look at all of the contents of the Classic Kit, and now we'll take a quick walkthrough of each product individually. First, we have the included camel watercolor paper. There are 6 5x7 sheets that have this beautiful vintage feel and look. Then we have the 4x6 clear stamp set with sentiments such as You Make Me Smile, Be My Valentine, You Have My Heart, Sending You, You're the Sweetest, Love You Lots, Lots of Love, and so many more. Those sentiments pair great with this Love You word die, and then we also have this window heart frame. You can use that frame on its own or die cut out of your stenciled panel. Here we have the included 5-piece color layering stencil. I'm just going to place these on top of that camel watercolor paper so you can see it better. This is going to create a gorgeous floral background. Each stencil is labeled with an A, B, C, D, and E, so you know which order to use them in, and you can use the registration marks in the corners for easy alignment. You can have a lot of fun playing with different color combinations for your floral background. The included ink cubes are Azalea, Moss, and Summer Sky. I'm going to swatch these out on some white cardstock so you can get a feel of these beautiful colors which work perfectly with our floral stenciled background. In the Premium Kit, we have the Floral Fancy Die, the Sparkle Lacquer Pen, Gold Leaf Flakes, and the Pink Gold Shimmer Spray. The Floral Fancy Dies die cut all of these beautiful images that you can add to your card project. You can die cut them out of colored cardstock or spray a panel of white cardstock with the shimmer spray and die cut from that for even more interest. With the shimmer spray, you want to make sure that you shake your bottle up because everything tends to settle at the bottom of the bottle. So you want to shake from side to side so that you don't risk clogging up the nozzle. I'm just spraying this on some white cardstock, and once that settles, you can see this absolutely beautiful shimmer and shine in your project. You can use this to spray your backgrounds, spray through the stencil, or even pick up some of the spray with a paintbrush and add splatters. The Gold Leaf Flakes. These come in a little jar, and I do want to kind of warn you, do not have fans going when you take these out. They do tend to move very easily, but they are a beautiful addition to your card projects. There are many different ways that you can apply this to your cards. I put down a strip of double-sided adhesive, and I'm going to remove the backing of that, and then I can just carefully pick up some of those leaf flakes and place those down over that exposed adhesive. I kind of place a little bit more than needed, pat that down with my finger, and once I have that adhesive fully covered, I can then burnish that into the adhesive a little bit more by rubbing my finger over the top. You can also attach these gold leaf flakes to your card projects using the Sparkle Lacquer Pen or some liquid glue. Now, I used a little bit too much here on my card project. You really only need a thin layer of the liquid glue or the Sparkle Clear Lacquer Pen, and you would apply it the same steps, just picking up some of the leaf flakes and dabbing that into that liquid glue. Now with the liquid glue, you are going to have to let that dry for a little while. The double-sided adhesive obviously is already dry. So what I'll do is just help burnish that gold leaf flakes into it a little bit more. And then I'm going to take a rough paintbrush, just kind of a stiff bristle paintbrush, and I'm going to brush away all of the excess. You can save these pieces to put back in that jar, or once you're done, you can clean up your work surface with a Swiffer cloth to best pick up all of those leaf flakes. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit option. You're going to see how this kit plays well with not only in card making, but also your mixed media projects and planners. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. But become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.